Hello, my name is Romeo. My friends are trying to speak in English. I'm trying to help them. Today is our second class. Let's get started. First of all, we have to say that today is February 18th of the 2006, and our today topics is using polite and informal language. Right. Hello guys, how are you today?
I'm fine. Hi, teacher. Fine.
Good. Do you remember what we studied last lesson?
Yes.
Yes? Right. So remember that we have been studying personal information. So I'm going to ask you some kind of question and you have to answer, right? What about you, sir? What's your name?
Yes, my name is Miller.
And what's your last name, sir?
My last name is Avalos.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Good, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from El Salvador. I live in San Salvador.
Excellent. Mister, how are you?
Fine, teacher.
Good. What's your name, sir?
Guillermo.
Guillermo. What's your last name?
Serrano.
Right. Where are you from?
I'm from San Salvador. El Salvador.
All right, good. So I see that you remember what we have been studying. So as I told you before, today we're going to study a new topic. We are going to learn how to use polite and informal language. Do you know what the meaning of this word, polite and informal? No? So we have to say that polite and informal, right? Right. This word, polite, we are going to use this word to refer to our teacher or to our boss, right? If you got a job. And informal, this type of language is going to be used when we talk with our friends or with people that we know, right? So, let's say, do you know some kind of language that we can select like polite or informal? Can you give me an example?
What's up?
What's up? Exactly. What's up is going to be polite and informal. Informal, exactly.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, man?
It's going to be what's up, right? That's going to be informal. Can you give me another example?
Hello?
Maybe you can do informal or polite, all right?
Hello.
Hello. Hello is going to be polite or informal.
Polite.
Polite, exactly. That's right.
Good, man.
Hello,
Hello.
right?
What's your
Do you know any other example?
Good morning.
Good morning, exactly. Good morning is going to be polite. Good morning, all right? Good morning can be good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Exactly. Good morning. Afternoon,
Guys, evening.
evening, or night, right? Right. Let's make a pause in here. You have to have something clear in here. Good evening. We're going to use good evening when we are going to say hello, right? When we arrive a place, we're going to say good evening. When we leave that place, we're going to say good night, right? That's going to be the difference, right? So, can you give me another example of polite language or informal language?
How are you going?
How is it going exactly? How is it going? Is it going to be polite or informal?
Informal.
Informal, exactly. It's going to be informal.
You like it?
How is it going? Right? How is it going? Do you know how we are going to answer if somebody ask us this type of question? In an informal way, right?
In the same way. What's up?
What's up is gonna be, for example, you can say, I'm cool, right? I am cool, right? So you can say, what's up? I'm cool.
Cool. Who's cool?
I'm cool, right?
Who is cool now?
Yes, or you can say easy, right? Easy is a very informal way to say
Easy.
you're good.
Easy,
Yes,
man.
easy, like that, right?
Easy
So,
E, easy E.
what about in polite? What about this one? How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. So,
Yes, exactly. You are going to answer. I'm fine, right? I'm fine. I'm fine. What about this one? And polite is going to be thank you, all right? And informal is going to be thanks, right? Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks. All right. As you see, um, these are some phrases that we use to say hello. But what about some phrases to say goodbye, right?
Bye.
Bye. Bye is going to be informal. Exactly. Good job. Bye.
Bye.
What about another one?
See you later.
Informal. See you later. Exactly. See you later can be informal too.
See you later, alligator.
See you later. Or there are some kind of people that can say see ya, right? Have you ever said that?
See ya.
See ya.
Ciao.
Yes,
Ciao.
ciao. Ciao. Even though that's not English, but it's Italian, but we can use that. So, see you later. See ya. In here you can say goodbye, right?
Bye.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
All right. Is this clear? Right? Can we practice? Repeat, please. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
What about informal? What's up?
What's up?
I'm cool.
I'm cool.
How is it going?
How is it going?
Easy.
Easy.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See ya.
See ya.
Now, what I want you to do is to create a conversation. Please create one polite conversation and one informal conversation, and then we are going to share with the class, right?
Right.
So, do you want some time to practice, or do you want to do it right now?
Right now.
You can do it right now, right? Just try. Try to do it.
The polite way.
Mm-hmm.
Hello,
Hello.
nice to meet.
Nice to meet you too.
Uh,
What's your name?
My name is Guillermo. What's your name?
My name is Miller.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. And you?
I am 20 years old. Where are you from?
I am from El Salvador. And you?
I am from El Salvador too.
Uh, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
So.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Excellent. That's going to be polite or informal.
Polite.
Polite. Exactly. Good. Now, what about one informal conversation? Please do it.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's? But I am cool.
How's it going?
Easy.
Hey, how's the family?
Right. You can say, "Hey, how's it going? Easy, right? Thanks. Goodbye. See you
Bye,
later."
bye.
Right.
See you soon.
Good. Good. Very good job. Thank you very much. So, as you know, now you are able to use polite and informal language when you are giving personal information or when you are greeting somebody, right? That's all for today's class. See you next class.